Dear students, welcome to online live class 8 English version. This is your Kamrul sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we will discuss exercise 3, problem number 29, 30 and 31. The last three problem. This is a creative based question, and you know, in your next exam, online test 2, chapter 3 is included to the syllabus. So it will be very help us for you if we discuss chapter 3. Now dear students, problem number 29. Everyone take your math book and go to the problem number 29, exercise 3. It said that the breadth of a room is 2 by 3 times of its length, and the length and height is 15 meter and 4 meter respectively. Now the floor of the room is set with the stone of the square shape whose length is 50 centimeter. This is the correction. Your question said that the size of 50 centimeter. This is wrong. It will be length of 50 centimeter. And air is 0.00129 times heavier than water. This is the information of problem 29. Now we have to say the answer A, find out the perimeter. And we know perimeter equal 2 into length plus breadth. So dear student, we can start our answer. 29A. Given length equal 15 meter, therefore breadth it will be 2 by 3 of 15 meter. So we can say it will be 10 meter. Therefore perimeter equal 2 into length plus breadth meter. So it will be 2 into 25 meter. That means 50 meters. So this is the answer of A. B number said that how many pieces of stone is required to cover the floor. But look, there is one condition. We have to set up the stone by giving 1 meter margin of the floor, like this one. Suppose this is the floor. Now we have to take 1 meter margin in wall side. 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So we have to set up the stone in this here, in these places. So we need to find the area of this one. This is 15. So it will be 15 minus 1 and minus 1. So it will be 13. So we need B number, length of the floor without margin, it will be 15 minus 1 plus 1 meter, because 1 meter margin, so it will be 13 meter. Similarly, breadth of the floor without margin, so it will be 10 minus 1 plus 1 meter. This is the breadth, 10 meters, so it will be 8 meter. Now what will be the area? So we can see area of the floor without margin, it will be 13 into 8 meters square. So dear students, it will be 104 meters square. So this is the area of this place. Now we have to find the area of the square stone. Clear? So now we can go to the other one. Now given length of the square stone equal 50 centimeter. So if we convert as a meter, then it will be 0.5 meter. Clear? So we can say area of the square stone, it will be 0.5 whole square meter square. So it will be 0.25 meter square. Clear, dear student? So dear student, we can say this is our area of the floor. That means where we want to set the square stone, and this is the area of the stone. Now if we divide this area by this one, then we will get the number of stones. So we can say therefore required number of stones equal 104 divided by 0.25 pieces. Now dear students, it will be the answer 105. If we divided 0.4, that means it is multiplied by 4. So it will be 416 pieces. So answer 416 square stones is needed. Now another one, how much air is there in the room? See number question. So dear students, at first we need to find the volume of the room. We know length 15 meter and breadth 10 meter. And what is the volume, depth or height? Height is 4 meters. So we can write C number, volume of the room equal 15 into 10 into 4 meter cube. So it will be log 60, that means 600 meter cube. So we can say volume of the room is 600 meter cube. This is the volume of the room. Now we have to find the how much air. So meter we can given relation as a water. So we know one meter cube equal 1000 liter of water. That means 1 meter cube of volume, this contain 1000 liter of water. So this is 600 meter cube. Therefore 600 meter cube, it will be 1000 into 600 liter of water. So we can say it will be 6 and there are 5 zeros. Liter of water. Now if we go to as a kg, then it will be kg of water. Why? Why we can write liter as a kg? Because we know one liter of water equal 1 kg of water. For pure water, clear? But we can write water. We know 1 liter of pure water, this is equal to 1 kg of liter. So this liter of water, that means this kg of water. Now this is the weight, and information given there, air is heavier 0.00129 times than water. So we can write, so in the room the air 6 into 0.00129 kg. We can say in the room this kg of air. This will be good. Now dear students, if we multiply, then we will get 774 kg. So this is our answer, 774 kg. Here dear students, so at first you have to find the volume, then convert as a liter of water, go to the kg of water, and now multiplied by our given information, then we will get the required answer. So answer 774 kg. Okay dear students, now go to the problem number 13. The length of a rectangular plot of land is 80 meter and breadth is 60 meter. In the middle of the land, a tank with 3 meter depth, tank is kind of pond, 3 meter depth is duck keeping 4 meter wide bank. 0.1 cubic meter water is emptied by a machine in a second. Dear students, look, in a second. We have to add in this question in a second. Clear? Now A number, express the depth of the tank in inches. Now here depth is 3 meter, so we have to convert as a inch. Now dear students, 30 number. A given depth equal 3 meter. We know 1 meter equal 39.37 inches. This is our approximate. So 3 meter, it will be 39.37 into 3 inches. So what will be the answer? 1 and 8 118.11 inches. So our answer 118.11 inches. Now dear students, B number said that find out the area of the bank of the tank. That means we have to find the area of the tank of the bank. Now there is 3 meter depth and 4 meter wide. So 4 meter wide, this is our needed. Now we can write B number given length of the plot, rectangular plot, this is 80 meter. Breadth of the plot equals 60 meter. So what will be the area? So area of the plot, it will be 80 into 60 meter square. So it will be 4,800 meter square. Now dear students, we have to find now length of the plot without bank. Look, length of the plot without bank. That means this is indicate the length of the tank. So it will be 80 minus 4 meter. So it will be 4 plus 4. Why? Because this is the inside of the plot. So this meter. So it will be 72 meter. Similarly, breadth of the plot without bank, it will be 60 minus 4 plus 4. When inside we have to minus, when outside we have to plus. So it will be 52 meters. So area of the plot without bank, it will be 72 and 52 meter square. So if we multiply 72 and 52, then you will get 3744 meter square. That means area of the bank of the tank, it will be, we have to subtract this one to this, 4800 minus 3744 meter square. That means 1056 meter square. So our answer 1056 meter square or square meter. Now C number question said that, how much time is required to empty the tank? Now look, information said that 0.1 cubic meter water is emptied by a machine in 1 second. Clear? Now by using this information we will be able to solve it. So problem number C. C number, at first we need to find the volume. Volume of the tank. At first we need to volume of the tank. And we know here length is 72, breadth is 52. So 72, breadth 52, and depth is given. Look dear students, 3. So it will be meter cube. Now if we multiply by this 3 one, then we will get 11,232 meter cube. So this is the volume of our tank. Now 0.1 cubic meter is emptied by 1 second. So what will be this? So we can say 0.1 meter cube of water is emptied in 1 second. That means 1 meter cube water is emptied 1 divided 0.1 second. Now 11232 meter cube water, it will be 1 into 112 divided by 0.1 meter cube. So if we multiply this, it will be 112,320 second. So our answer this second. Now dear students, we know when answer is second, 60 seconds more, then we need to convert as a minute. When more than 60 minutes, we need to convert as a hour. So here seconds. Now if we divide by 60, now if we divide it 60, then it will be minutes. Now if we divide this one by 60, then our answer will be 1872 minutes. And yes, we know when minutes is more than 60, we need to convert as hours. So if we divide 1872 and 60, then it will be hours. Now dear student, if we divide, then it will be 31.2 hours. Or you can write 31 hours and 0.2 as a minute. You can write, no problem. Or you can write 31.2 hours or 31 hours. Suppose this minutes, 12 minutes, 0.2 hours. That means 12 minutes, 31 hours, 12 minutes or 31.2 hours. Both are correct. Now dear students, our last question, problem number 31. The area of a rectangular school campus is 10 acres. Its length is 4 times the breadth. The size of the auditorium is 40 meter into 35 meter into 10 meter. That means this indicate volume. And the thickness of the wall is 15 centimeter. A number question said that what is the area of the campus in hectare. So we know at first we need to the relation between hectare and acres. So dear students, problem number 31. Now dear students, problem number 31. A number given, area of the school equal 10 acres. Now we have to convert as a hectare, and we know 2.47 acres. 2.47 acres equal 1 hectare. So we can write, we know, or convertly you can write, if we want to convert as a hectare, so we can write 2.47 acre equal 1 hectare. That means 1 acres, it will be 1 divided by 2.47 hectare. Now it will 10 acres. So it will be 1 into 10, 2.47 acres. Now if we divide 10 divided 2.47, it will be 4.048 acres. So this is the answer of A. Now dear students, B number said that find out the length of the boundary wall in meter. Clear? So we have to find the length of the boundary. Length. We need to find the length of the boundary. Boundary, it has length and breadth, but we have to find the length. Now dear students, question said that length is 4 times of the breadth. Length is 4 times of the breadth. And we have to find the answer in meter, but our question said that it area. So we need to convert acres as a square meter. So we know at first we can write B number. We can write at first, we know our 1 acre. We know our 1 acre. We know 1 acre equal 4046.86 meters square. Now this is 10 acres. So it will be 4046.86 into 10 meters square. That means it will be 4468.6 meters square. Now suppose let the breadth, now we can say the breadth of the this is school campus, or breadth of the campus, or breadth of the wall. We can write the breadth of the wall, boundary wall. The breadth of the boundary wall, this is x meter. Suppose be x meter. Therefore the length of the wall will be 4x meter. So what will be the area? So we can say area of the length, it will be 4x into x. That means 4x square meter square. Now according to the question, we can write 4x square. This is area and this is also area. 4048.6. Now if we solve x square equal 4048.6 divided by 4, then we will get the answer 1017.15. Now if we want to find the value of x, so it will be square root of 1017.15. Now dear student, we will get therefore x equal 100.58. 100.58. So this is the breadth. Therefore we can say length of the boundary. Now we can write length of the boundary. It will be 4 into length, breadth. Sorry. So 100 into 58. So it will be, if we multiply 402 our answer 402.34 meters. Suppose this is, we can say it will be approximate. So our answer 402.34 approximate. Now problem number C, it is said that find out the volume of the 4 walls of the auditorium. We have to find that. So it will be very simple. Yesterday if we at first try to find the volume of the whole auditorium, then we can find volume of the auditorium without wall. Clear? Is it like a pond, like a garden type of math? There are around road. Clear, dear students? Similar type of math we can solve this one. So at first we need to find the volume of the auditorium. Then we need to find the volume of the auditorium without wall. So dear students, our problem number C, at first we can write volume of the auditorium. This auditorium, it will be this is 40,000 35 and 10, so it will be meter cube. Now if we multiply by this 3 dear students, then our answer will be 14,000 meter cube. Now given thickness of wall equal 15 centimeter. So we can write 15 divided by 100, it will be meter, 0.15 meter. Now we can say length of the auditorium, we can write length of the auditorium without wall, similar pattern, without wall, it will be length of the auditorium without wall. So now dear students, length of the auditorium without wall, it will be length 40. So 40 minus 0.15 plus 0.15. Because wall is the inside, so it will be 39.7 meter. Now we can write breadth of the auditorium without wall, it will be 35 minus 0.15 plus 0.15. So it will be 34.7 meter, and height 10 meter. Look, height will be unchanged. So we can write therefore volume of the auditorium, it will be 34.7 into 10 meter cube. Now if we multiply, then I will get 1377 5.9 meter cube. So this is the, now therefore we can say volume of the 4 walls. So volume of the 4 walls, it will be 14,000 minus 1377 5.9 meter cube. Then finally we will get 224.1 meter cube. That means 224.1 meter cube. Okay dear students, now you need to solve all maths of exercise 3. I just try to solve last 3 problems because they are based on creative question. So it will help you. Now go to the problem number 10 to remaining all and try to solve. Dear students, thank you very much. No more today.